Some fish can grow longer than a bus, while others are smaller than a grain of rice. And amphibians? They are silently disappearing from our planet. Welcome to the science of life beneath the surface. Fish are the most diverse vertebrates on Earth, with over 20,000 known species. From shallow reefs to towering kelp forests and tangled mangroves where juveniles find refuge, to the vast blue deserts of the open sea. The tiny dwarf pygmy goby is barely visible to the human eye, smaller than a grain of rice, yet perfectly adapted. At the other extreme, the whale shark can stretch over 15 meters long. Imagine a city bus underwater, and then something even bigger. In the deep, some carry their own lanterns to hunt. Others thrive in sub-zero seas beneath frozen ceilings. In rivers, survival is a team sport, safety in numbers. On reefs, partnerships and cleaning stations keep ecosystems in balance. From camouflage to armor, fish dominate our planet's waters through stunning variety. Speed can mean survival. The sailfish is the fastest swimmer in the ocean, reaching speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. Tuna slice through currents like underwater rockets. Swordfish are streamlined sprinters built for bursts. Speed champions share torpedo bodies and stiff crescent tails. Their fins and microscales reduce drag at high velocity. On the leaderboard, the sailfish sits at the top. Every tail beat is a precision-engineered power stroke. In the race for life, fractions of a second decide who eats and who escapes. Unlike humans, many fish have two-chambered hearts. One atrium, one ventricle, sending blood straight to the gills for oxygen. Amphibians like frogs have three chambers, allowing them to survive both in water and on land. Their skin is not just skin, it breathes. Oxygen slips in, carbon dioxide slips out through a living membrane. Frogs juggle multiple breathing methods depending on activity and habitat. Fish heart versus amphibian heart, different designs for different lives. Fish extract oxygen from water using delicate gill filaments. Frogs rely on moisture to keep that skin exchange working. One blueprint for water, one for a life between two worlds. Frogs and toads may look similar, but their bodies tell different stories. Frogs have smooth, moist skin. Toads have dry, bumpy skin. Frogs have long legs for jumping. Toads have short legs designed for walking. Many frogs have small teeth along the upper jaw. Most toads do not. Frogs favor wet habitats and spend more time in the water. Toads roam drier ground but return to water to breed. Amphibians are among the most endangered animals on Earth. Pollution, climate change, and habitat loss are causing rapid population declines. Sensitive eggs and permeable skin make them the first to feel damage. Chemicals and sediments wash into waterways after storms. When amphibians disappear, insects can boom or collapse, disrupting food webs. Predators lose prey, and ecosystems lose stability. Disease, development, and drought create a perfect storm. A silent night where a chorus should be is a warning sign for us. But there is hope in habitat restoration and clean water policies. Community science helps track populations before it is too late. Protect the water and life rebounds. Protecting fish and amphibians means protecting our future. When habitats heal, entire ecosystems recover. Curiosity today builds stewardship for tomorrow. If you love science, nature, and the hidden stories of our planet, subscribe for more. Together, we can keep these waters full of life.